titty battle.
Okay, you know what? You should.
Daniel, which one?
Now you can talk.
Yeah. So, hello?
Hello?
So rude, you're not saying hi back.
Or just funny. Hanging around. Hanging if they joke hanging.
Hanging, you're like hanging up a tree.
I don't know. What just happened?
I don't know.
The glitch.
Glike. Glike?
Maybe it's these nuts. Thank you. Balloon to do battles. Hanging around the Christmas tree. Spinning around the Christmas tree. On the top of Halloween.
What? I want more. This Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi.
Hanging around.
Letting bones. Just do it.
Just do it.
What? Where's it going?
Oh, there.
Oh, what the? What?
Want your name?
Name, please. Stop. Not touchy. Oh, come on there.
We can probably do that again.
Yeah. Come inside.
Oh. What do you know? Awesome. Good.
Yeah. No, I'm just gonna do randomly. I was going.
Balloon to be. I'm going to my size. Not so. I'll be tired. Arson's recording.
I'm putting this down. I'm just putting that so the bone for now. I'm gonna put these guys as well.
The ninja?
Ninjas. They're not actually very good at it, but
What? Bloons, nice.
Putting other stuff is better.
this stuff. Actually, upgrading stuff is actually sometimes even better than buying stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Good job, Franco.
Oh, I thought he was bound.
No, I know where it's at battery. Hey. Damn, son. Where did you get that? Where did you get that?
You get what? Your fish face?
My first butt. That's her. Jeez.
Troll face! Just kidding.
Who wants to look at this?
One. Okay. I really look.
Okay, I'll look at it. So, if I really look at it a million times. What is that?
McDonald's?
Destruction of Pampa. What?
Park. Yeah, I made a pizza. I like it very much. I really like pizza.
I'm gonna get some more income for myself.
Income.
That's called income.
Yeah, income is like when you get like more money, it's like taxes. Not taxes, it's like
What do you mean taxes?
I don't mean like taxes. I mean like
Tacos.
take
Yeah,
that.
tacos.
I mean like taco stands, not taco stands. And like
What are you even talking about?
these nuts. That's what. Rip. Those are good. You're playing hot ones. Those are hot.
Those are hot.
Those are
Hot, hot, hot.
Pat.
Wherever this guy is,
He's
say hi to YouTube. Well, you don't hear us right now, but
thanks a lot,
What?
YouTube. Oh, watch on something ninja stars and then like across the field.
I know. Yeah, they go like I actually got good monkeys.
Yeah.
I got good monkeys as well. These guys are good.
Good.
Like that guy can destroy lead. Those guys can't, but they can destroy camel. Look at those guys. That guy can destroy lead as well. That's a cool stuff.
Damn son, where'd you get that?
Damn,
From my daddy.
and you're my daddy.
You're my daddy.
You're my daddy.
You're my friend.
You're not my friend.
You're my.
You're my buddy. You're my friend.
You're my wiener.
Yeah, no, this is going on YouTube.
I'm sorry, people.
Just like fire.
Keep recording.
Close the door.
Close the door, people. Use without face cam. Huh? Use without face cam.
Yeah, I'm doing it without the face cam. I hate the face cam. It's sometimes glitches, and it's really hard to control.
You're so good at this game.
No, I'm not. I'm new.
No, I'm disconnected.
His name is Player.
You can pause it.
I can't pause. Oh yeah, I can pause it.
See ya when the player tries to get back.
Well, she's done. That took a while.
So you didn't get no medal ones.
Yeah, I did.
You always get medal ones. How do you have so much medal ones? I'm so poor.
Because I saved.
Are you gonna save for the Cobra?
No.
Cobra costs too much.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, do you know what you should? Do you want the Cobra?
Mm.
Yeah, no, maybe possibly.
Yeah, if I could get it for free, yeah, I would.
I can just buy it for you. Yeah, he can buy it. But 300?
No.
You're recording.
Yeah.
See ya.
No.
I'm sorry.
Did you want to turn it off?
No. See ya. See ya when the people. Okay, the
Darn, I see it when
boxes in the.
they can get a player or two player. I know. Darn.
They disconnected.
No, I don't want to press that.
Solid like.
I hate grandma.
I love cards.
You want to marry them?
No. Maybe you should. Don't do it. Oh. It's gonna work.
Phew.
Those are darn. Whatever.
Oh, those are good.
That's good, actually.
Whatever. Like I hate it because like if you want to upgrade it and you
No, it doesn't work like that.
Why
It
do you
doesn't
put
work like that. When you want to upgrade it, it just goes,
Not if you want to upgrade another one.
oh, something else.
Yeah.
Then you just don't upgrade it. Something else. Because that thing could pop metal bones and camo.
Wait, you can pop lead balloon?
Yeah.
I know the sign. I know the sign, but like something else. But I forgot what it's named.
Kung Fu.
Kung Fu.
Kung Fu. Kung Fu sign. Kung Fu. Let's see. Look.
See?
Jacob, stop touching it.
This is
And
going
then
on
your
YouTube.
problems will.
This is going on YouTube, you know. Kill Closudo. Hey, the Wi-Fi is getting better. Arjun, do you not have the Wi-Fi in our room? It's not that good.
Are you guys recording it?
Yeah.
Is it recording the sound?
Yes. This recorder has like everything.
No, it doesn't.
Like almost everything that YouTube does.
like that? Why are you guys saying like that?
Hey. We can't die. He wants to have sound. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
like you're talking about all those things. And it makes it more fun. When you're talking about seriously. Why are you making a movie right now? Okay,
Right now is
bye.
Right now is the worst time ever.
Bye.